Electronic Payment Feature for Create a Check 9.0. The ACH electronic payment feature is now available in Create a Check. Along with your system, you will be sent a new ACH DLL that gets read as Create a Check starts up. Keep in mind, this Create a Check version of ACH will only produce printed remittance advices. The first thing you will do to utilize ACH is to set up the company information required to produce the ACH file. Go to Accounts, and on the Company tab you will enter the fields found in the ACH Data section. Enter the company ID, immediate origin, entry description, and the discretionary data if necessary. These fields are used in the various records of the ACH file that will get transmitted to your bank. Next, under Assignments, you will set the Generate ACH Payments flag for each of your accounts that will be used to generate ACH payments. Finally, you will need to set up each vendor that you want to pay electronically. For each vendor, you will be required to enter the ACH fields: the bank account for the vendor, routing transit number, indicate the transaction type, and the code for each transaction. You have the ability to exclude vendors from ACH payment in the future if necessary. If your accounting application includes a vendor ID field in the check print data, the vendor ID field in Create a Check must match that field exactly. If your accounting application does not include a vendor ID, then Create a Check tries to match the vendor name and first address line with the payee name and first address line in the check print data. You will then print checks as you normally would. If Create a Check finds a vendor ID or vendor name and address match, it will store the check payment information into a table in its database and print a remittance advice. If no vendor match is found, a normal check will be printed. When you are ready to produce your ACH file, click File Generation and take the ACH option. You will see that we have 3 vendors to be paid electronically for $4,230. Enter the entry description field if desired, and you are now ready to create the ACH file. You can preview the payments that are about to be created. You also have the option of browsing to a new location and selecting your own file name, or you can use the default path and file name. When you're ready to create the file, click the Create File button and your ACH file will be created. The file has been created and is now ready to be transmitted to your bank.